Our investment teams closely monitor promising seed and pre-seed companies that emerge in different sectors. Today, we'll explore 5 high-potential sectors we're excited about for this year's seed fund. Trend number 1. Generative AI. AI's ability to produce content on demand is revolutionizing industries. In 2023, VC funding in this field reached $14.1 billion. AV has invested in companies like Monterey AI, which uses AI technology to aggregate, triage, and analyze customer feedback, allowing companies to make influential, data-driven decisions to improve products and elevate customer experience. Trend number 2. Cleantech. Even in challenging markets, global VC funding for cleantech startups surged from $1.9 billion in 2019 to $12.3 billion in 2022. AV has supported companies like Nutricity in their mission to produce carbon-free fertilizer using renewable resources. Trend number 3. Esports. Esports is booming globally, expected to grow from $1.72 billion in 2023 to $6.75 billion by 2030. AV invested in fan-controlled football, FCF, combining live football action with fan interactivity. Trend number 4. Future of work. Startups are creating innovative solutions to maximize remote work productivity. CoScreen, for instance, enables real-time, multi-user screen sharing, facilitating remote tech team collaboration. Trend number 5. Drones. With over $1.5 billion raised for consumer drone delivery services in 2023 alone. Duality, a QA company operating autonomous robotics, is one of the promising companies AV supports. Thank you for joining us for this overview of seed investing trends. If you're ready to explore exciting opportunities like these, contact us to learn more about our seed fund and the unique opportunity we offer to invest in early-stage companies.